Good morning, good people out there in property world. It's Monday morning. It's time for a new week. What are we doing today? Well, I'm out in lovely North Wales in one of my serviced accommodations, and I'm here to do some installation and repairs. So what are we doing? Well, this fireplace that you can see here, I'm about to attach to this wall. I got this at a Flintshire refurb place, which is like a charity shop, and that cost me 20 quid. So that was a bargain. And this mirror here, this big thing, cost me £10. So you don't have to go out on a limb. And this thing here, it's even still got the sold label on it. Okay. That cost me 100 quid for that leather couch, and it's solid. Plenty of stuffing in it, and it was a bargain. Now I've also got on the way 2 cream leather chairs and sofa that's coming. Recon, it doesn't matter, it looks good. Checked it over, and the existing set that was in here, I've currently got dumped out, as you can see out there in the front garden, waiting for collection by the council. So they're going to come and take that away. So what else am I doing here? Well, first thing is that we're doing some repairs, in that the guests who've been staying here for God knows what reason have decided to overfill the bath. And because of that, we've now got that damp issue up there in that corner that I'm going to have to, first of all, let dry out, which is what it's doing, and then I'm after going to hit it with stain block, and then I'll repaint it. And there's some paintwork here. I've got my tools here on the floor that you can see. The bins are normally out here. I'm going to be painting the fences. I've already done those 2 panels there in red cedar, and I'll be doing these once I get the new fence paint that's being delivered at some point today. Also, the kitchen in here is only a cottage kitchen. It's only a small thing, but this is one of the most productive houses for contractors that I own, in that I don't generally want to go into the holidaymaker market, so I do enjoy renting it out to contractors. Hence the fact even the stairs are laminated, and it takes some heavy pounding. And in all my serviced accommodation, I also accept pets. It's a big selling point, because there's tons of properties out there where they just don't accept animals. So I'm okay about it. And now that I'm getting leather sofas and stuff coming, they're easy to wipe down, and if there are any accidents, most guests will look after them. So I'm coming up to the 3.5 minute mark now for this thing, and in this room here, nothing wants doing really. Oh, I got new, this cost me £10, this lamp, and it's solid steel, made of raw iron. And the good thing about this is it replaced one that was here that I got from IKEA, and basically the guests have just moved it too quickly and it snapped. So basically the quality wasn't good enough. Now when you've got old properties, what you tend to do, you also get old property smells. So there's a good trick for people if you want to know what it is, and it's just buy a box of baking soda that you get at B&M, which is just around the corner around here. And you just tear off the top and just leave it where the pong is. So if you've got a bit of a whiffy fridge or anything like that, just bang it in the back, and lo and behold, as you can see here, I've got some baking soda just there, and if a kid swallows it, you just get a frothy mouth. It doesn't kill them. Also, if you can mix it with white vinegar, it's a great cleaning agent. So that's it. This is today's work on a Monday. So like I say, I'm going to be doing this fireplace here, and to all you prospective investors out there, AirBnb for me, it's been the way to go. I love it because I get my money up front and it's good cash flow, and we're getting double-digit returns quite easily on this property. Hopefully, we'll see you soon. So I'll keep you informed. Bye now.